What drove you to bring out HyperCare and HyperIQ? Was this a customer request? Were you seeing a better way to do things? What was
So
behind that?
HyperCare was definitely a customer request, and this gets back to the point at the beginning of this top of this webcast was, the skill shortage is something all of our customers are seeing, and HyperCare was something our customers wanted to uh, help them alleviate that problem. I think they said, look, you've been working on Hyper IQ for, oh gosh, five close to 5 years now. It's a really well thought out tool. We really love using it in our environment. Your support organization is using it also. You can see our infrastructure. Why not just go to that next step and manage it for us? And this is really something that the customers were looking for. And it makes perfect sense. Without that tool, without Hyper IQ, it really would not have been possible because we wouldn't have that global view. But with it, we've got the pieces in place. So and customers wanted us to go there.
Of course, I really like this. I think it's going to alleviate a lot of work, if you will, on the customer side. But more importantly, they don't have to worry about it. It just happens.
Yeah, absolutely. And we are doing 24/7 monitoring. Cloudian is it's a global organization, so we've got support organizations spread around the globe. So uh, it is a follow the sun management model where whatever time zone you're in, whatever country you're in, we've got customers that have got clusters spread out around the world, literally from EMEA to North America to APAC to really spanning the globe. And in that environment, you have to have a follow the sun model so that you can cover all those different geographies. And we do. We've got support people on the ground in every one of those territories. We're working, normal daytime hours, but monitoring the systems globally. And that's a really important part of this as well, is having that support organization that can stand behind this. Our support organization is large and, as I said, distributed, and they've got the tools now to really provide a high degree of value add in monitoring and managing these environments. So the timing is perfect to roll this out.